Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your SteelSeries CS2 Dragon Lore edition to macOS. In order to connect it, you can do it in 3 different methods. The first one is with a cable. If you get a USB-C cable that will fit your mouse, then the other end has to fit your Mac, so most probably also a USB-C. Then it'll already work. You don't have to turn it on, it'll work. Now you can also connect it with 2.4 gigahertz, which means with this receiver that's included in the box. You can see the receiver is USB-C. It can be converted to USB-A, because there's also a cable in the box and a sort of like connector from USB-C to USB-C, and that USB-C, the other one plugs in the cable. So like, yeah, but on Macs most probably you just have the USB-C. So I may need to unplug the charger because otherwise the cable, the adapter, the receiver won't fit. So now I have it plugged in to the Mac. All I need to do is set it to 2.4 gigahertz, and you can see it is working. There's some keyboard setup assistant, but I'll quit it. Now I'll unplug it, plug the charger back in again, and then we can do a few other things here, like the Bluetooth. When I set it to Bluetooth, I can simply go to the settings. In system settings, go to Bluetooth, then go to here, make sure it's enabled, then select CS2, click on connect, and I'm gonna quit the keyboard setup assistant. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.